Alright.
What we do, yeah?
So yes, Clyde, we come to get some nice food for the boy picnic there.
Well, Auntie Patty dumpling, the food all nice and ready. Don't you have my money hand, but
Hot like it. The food looking
go
good.
like you.
You know the boy picnic them.
Which part we keep them?
The boy picnic them at Rushcliffe. Them Rush, yes.
Tosh, and the one Jamaican say yard
And
food.
of course they want yard
No.
food. And them know them yard food good.
Yes, we know what yard
But
yard
tell me,
next time.
Patty, make sure you reach and bring the jerk chicken.
Well, jerk chicken.
They want jerk
The
chicken.
one there. What jerk chicken? What the one there?
Yeah, dumpling.
No,
Yeah,
wait.
dumpling.
Only jerk chicken. See,
See the jerk chicken in the left, the
what?
jerk chicken.
Them want the jerk chicken.
The jerk chicken.
I want the one. They want the plantain.
The plantain, yeah, the fried plantain.
You want the plantain?
This is for Liam, the plantain.
And they want the dumpling like
Not plantain.
Auntie Patty dumpling.
Yes.
And then so we have the curry goat.
Yes.
We have the rice and peas and come as cameraman. And we have the chicken strips.
Look at
Auntie
that.
Patty dumpling. The man here where I gonna love you, you see.
Yeah, them gonna love you.
And the best food that you like what is. It's
Oh,
a
thank
Caribbean twist.
Yes,
Everything
Caribbean
with a
twist.
twist.
Yes.
And them tongue about twist tie up on everything.
I mean,
Everything.
it's
Whoa.
It's good, baby.
Whoa.
Yes.
The twist.
I just want to say one thing.
What?
All the picnic them are not in them. Not every one of them is carrying the knife. Not every one of the youth. Not every one of the young people them is carrying the knife. Not
That's
all of
good to
them.
hear.
There's some very good youth out there.
Glad
And
to
this
hear
is a reward to some of them. Yes. Good.
Alright.
Thank you, Auntie Patty. I'm glad the hard work we are doing. And God will bless you. Keep on doing it. God will bless you.
The community thing.
Thank you.
Like we are
Alright.
doing.
Praise and
Alright.
good.
Like we are doing.
Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
Alright, thank you.
Handsome.